Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Sublime Text Editor on your Windows 10 operating system. Sublime Text is a cross-platform editor which is popular among developers. So let's see how we can install Sublime Text. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Sublime Text. And the first link which will appear here will be from sublimetext.com. So we are going to click on this website. And once this website is open, you will be able to see this download button at the top, or you can click this button which says download for Windows. So I'm going to click the downloads button at the top, and you will be able to see some versions here, version for macOS, Windows and Linux. The one we are interested in is this version, which is Windows 64-bit. So I'm going to click on this button, which is going to start the download of the Sublime Text executable file. So once this file is downloaded, I'm going to click on this file and I'm going to minimize the browser. And once the installation wizard is started, just click next. This will be the location where Sublime Text will be installed on your system. So click next. And then you can just click on this checkbox which says add to the Explorer context menu, and then click next. And then click install, which is going to start the installation of Sublime Text. And once the installation is finished, you can just click on the finish button. Now once the installation of Sublime Text is finished, you can click on the Windows icon and then click on all apps, and you will be able to see at the top this Sublime Text icon. So you can either click on this icon or you can search for Sublime Text. So just search for Sublime Text here and you will be able to see this Sublime Text option. So just click on this and you can see the Sublime Text editor is open on the Windows 10 operating system. Now in order to create the shortcut icon, you can right click here and then pin it to the taskbar. And once you close this Sublime Text, you will be able to open it from the taskbar next time. Now in order to create a file, you can simply click on the file option and then click on new file, and then you can just save this file by once again clicking on the file option and then clicking on the save option. Now I want to save this file on the desktop, and I will name this file as let's say test.html, and I'm going to paste some HTML code here. So let me just grab this code and paste it here. So you will be able to see the look and feel of this text editor. So on the right hand side, you will see the miniature form of your code. So you can directly go to the code wherever you want. And it's really easy and convenient to use. So this is how you can download and install Sublime Text on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.